Welcome back to the channel Coding Help. In this video, we are going to solve the biweekly contest 177 second problem, merge close characters. In this problem, we have given the string and integer k. So in that string, if we have two same character and that in character index difference is less than or equal to k, so we are merging that right character into the left character. It means we are removing the right character. Let's understand with this example. We have given a, b, c, a and k is equal to 3. In this case, index of this a is 0 and this a is 3. So here index difference is 3, that is less than equal to k. That's why we are removing this a. We are not able to merge from this string. That's why we are returning ABC as a string. Let's see the constraints. Constraints is s dot length less than equal to 100. It means that we can solve this problem within n to the power 4 time complexity. That is brute force. Let's understand the brute force approach. Let's understand the brute force approach with this example. First, we are taking I as an index, this one. Then we are iterating j to the all another index and we are checking both place has the same letter. So in this case, we'll get the same letter, but difference is not less than equal to 3 because this will be the 4. So we are not removing this one. Then we'll go and we'll check for these another letters. Okay. If we are not able to remove, then we'll go for I here and then J start from here. We'll again iterate till end. Again, what we'll do, I will move here and we'll start from J here. Now here you can see that I minus J, both letter is same and J minus I less than equal to K. So we need to remove this one. Okay, again I will go for another one, like that. Now in this case, what will happen when we are removing? So these both index difference becomes 3. Means J now becomes 3. Okay, we are removing this one. Now J becomes the third index, I become the 0th index. Now difference is less than equal to K, so we can remove this A. Now in this case, what we can do, when we are removing any letter, in that case we are starting I from the again 0th index. J is equal to I plus 1 to n and I is equal to 0 to n. Okay, when I will move I until here, in that case, and we are not able to remove anything till the end, in that case we will come out from the loop and we will return the string. Let's see with the code how we are doing. This is our brute force approach code. In this case, we are taking merge as a true and we are iterating in while loop. Okay, when we are getting merge any two letter, so we are again starting from I is equal to 0. Here you can see that when we are able to merge, we are breaking this loop. Then if merge is true, we are breaking this loop also. Now we are starting from this while loop. Okay, in while loop, now again I will start from the 0 and j from I plus 1. If we are not able to merge in this n square loop, our merge is still false. It means that we need to get out from the while loop and finally we are returning a string. See, If you want to be able to understand this code, just dry run the code, try to loop through the 2 to 3 example, definitely you will get the concept. Now let's move into the our optimized approach. Let's see the optimized approach. In this optimized approach, we are maintaining the frequency count of each letter in the window. And what will be the window size? Window size will be the k. Okay, so we are maintaining the each letter count. And as we can see, letter is our lowercase English letter. That's why we will maintain 0 to 25. Okay, so what will happen when A will come? We will put into the string, we will increase the count. When B will come, so we will increase the count, we will put into the string. When C will come, we will increase the count and put into the string. Again C is coming. Okay, C is coming and we are checking in this window it's available. If it's available in our this k length window string, so we are not adding into the string. It means it is removed. And again, when A is coming, we are checking that A into our frequency count array. It's already there. It means we don't want to put it again, remove it. It means again D is coming. When D is coming, so it is not there in the our window. We will put D. Okay, so now our string length is 4, but we need to maintain the k length window. So we are removing this window, means this a count from our this window screen. So it will become 0. Again, A will come. Now we will check this A is available in this k-length window. It's not there. We will add and again we will put here 1 and D is also there 1. Again B will come. When B will come, wait. Now window length is 4. Again we need to remove this B count. So we'll put it 0 here. Okay. Now again when B is coming, so we'll check in this window is B available. If it's not available, we will put that B into a string and our window size is now 4. So we will remove this one from the our frequency count. It means it will become 0. Or finally we are going to return A, B, C, D, A, B. Now you can check you won't be able to remove anything from this string. Now let's see how we can write the code. This is our optimized code. Here we have taken the frequency count or we have taken 26. Why we have taken only 26? Because we are using only lowercase English letter. Now we are iterating through the string and at the every character place we are increasing the count of that number. If we have already seen that number, it means that index count will be greater than 0. It means that in current window we have already seen this letter, so we are not adding another letter. Okay, if this will be false, we are adding the letter. If we haven't seen any letter, so we are adding this letter. Okay, we are increasing the count. If our result length is greater than k, we are removing the last letter like this one. Length minus k minus 1. This is the our length. Okay, which if this k length is, what is the length? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 minus 3 minus 1 means 2. 0 1 2, we are removing this one, so our window will be 3. That is what we are doing here, and we are reducing the count of that letter. Okay, or finally we are returning the result. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.